Welcome to Tech, where we fix, learn, and build tech solutions for everyday people. Today, I will show you how to connect your Android phone internet to your Windows 11 computer using a USB tethering, which is fast and simple. So the first step is actually to go to your computer on your network settings here down on the notification center. Click here and turn off. You can see I'm connected Wi-Fi to my Samsung. So I'll turn it off to prevent it from connecting to another network while I'm trying to set this up. So after doing that, the step 2 is actually to plug a data USB cable. Most times people don't understand. There's different cable for charging your phone and there's a cable that allows data transfer. So that's the kind of cable you use. So you plug it to your phone and pick the other end and plug it to your computer port. So you will hear a popping sound which it has made telling me that it's connected. So I'll be sharing my screen on my phone so you can see what's going on. Over here you can see that it's just showing charging, but it's not really working. So I'll detach it and put it back. I'll detach the cable and put it back to make sure it's showing data connected. That's just for it. It's just showing charging and it's not showing that it's data cable. So let me try it one more time. So while I plugged it on my computer, you can see over here that it's showing USB for file transfer, which is actually set to it. I'm using a Samsung and it should be somehow the same thing for any other Android device you are using. Then I'll go to settings over here. I'll scroll down to connections, but you can see network and internet for the Android device. When I click on connections over here, you can see mobile hotspot and tethering. So on other Android devices, you could see things like hotspot and tethering, something like that. So I'll click on mobile hotspot and tethering, and over here you can see mobile hotspot, which is on. I'll just turn it off. Then you see Bluetooth tethering, which mostly Samsung devices allows you to share your data through Bluetooth devices. And you see USB tethering. This will be grayed out if the USB cable is not connected properly. So if I detach this, you can see that the USB port is now grayed out. USB tethering is grayed out because it's not able to communicate. So when I plug it back, it should be visible now, telling us that it's working. Let's see. Okay, over now you can see that my phone is now able to appear over here on the computer, and you can see that it's actually visible now. So all I just need to do is turn it on, and you can see that it's now sharing this phone's internet to my computer. Then if you come here on the notification area, so as for you to confirm that the connection is done, come here. If you look here, you can see that it's showing network 86 and internet access. If I click on it and right click on it and go to network and internet settings, over here on the internet you can see that it's connected, and you can see the network properties of this internet. So this is actually how you connect or share your phone's internet with your PC. So I think this is well enough, but there are some troubleshooting issues which I would like to talk about. For those that if it's not showing, maybe try changing or using another USB cable, or try changing your USB preferences by making sure that it's on USB is visible on the Android device. As you actually saw, it must be visible here for you to see that it can actually be turned on. And also from here, you click here, you can see other settings. This is just like a shortcut on some other Android devices for you to turn on USB tethering. Then if it doesn't work, try updating your Windows or restarting your phone and your PC. And if it's not working, probably you will just use the USB hotspot via Wi-Fi, which I'll actually be doing another video for those that really don't know how to set that up. So if this video helped you, please subscribe for more practical tech solutions from Tech, where we fix, we learn, and we build. Thanks for watching. See you.